Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with a beautiful set of prom nails. So the first thing I'm doing is I'm going in with this simple glitter polish, and it is a gold glitter. And then I'm going to go in with this loose glitter, and I'm just going to sprinkle it over the nail while that polish is still wet. That way the glitter just sticks to the polish. So once again, this is just gold glitter, and I got this from, I believe, Walmart or Michael's, and it's just regular loose glitter. So once again, I polished the nail with a regular polish, and it could also be gel, but I'm just using a regular polish. And usually I get a color that matches that same glitter, so that's why I'm using a gold glitter polish. And with a cuticle pusher, I pick up the glitter and just sprinkle it on the top of the nail. You want to make sure the whole nail is covered, and then you just gently pat the glitter on the nail. Then I'm just going to gently dust it off. So now I'm going in with my nail art paint by Broadway. You can find these at Dollar General. They're only $1, and I'm just doing a couple of stripes across the nail, and then I'm going to go the other way as well, across the other way. And then I'm going to come back and add some studs to the center of each little intersection, if that makes sense. Okay, so now I'm adding my Mia Secret gel resin, and I'm gonna add some little gold studs to the little corners or the center of each little whatever it's called. You know what I'm doing. So once again, I'm using the little gold studs, my Mia Secret gel resin, and I'm using my wax pencil to pick up the little gold studs, and we're gonna do that on the other pinky as well. Alrighty, so for the middle finger, I'm just gonna do some bling, and I'm just doing it over the whole nail, or over the plain nail, no polish underneath. So I'm using, once again, my Mia Secret gel resin. For this, I'm using my SS6 and my SS12 bling, and then I also use some of my bigger pieces, which will be on my website pretty soon. I am restocking. I'm just waiting for my orders to come in. And then I'm also using this pearl, which has the little gold circle around it, which is really cute, and it matches her other nails. So once again, I'm using my Mia Secret gel resin, my wax pencil, and my bling, and we're just going to take that all the way down towards the tip. Alrighty, so for the pointer finger, I'm gonna go in with my Perfect White by Prom, and we're just gonna do the white tip, and then I'm gonna come back and add some bling to it as well. And then for the thumb, we're just gonna go back and add some glitter to that one as well. And to clean up my smile line, I'm using my brush by Alpha Brush, which is a French brush in the number 6, and I'll leave that link in the description as well as the promo code. So I just dip it into acetone, wipe it off on a paper towel, and then clean around that smile line. Once again, I'm using my polish by Prom in the color Perfect White, and to clean around my smile line, I'm using my French brush in the number 6 by Alpha Brush. Once again, I just dip it in acetone. I wipe it off on a paper towel before I touch the nail. That way it's not just dripping, and then I just go around that smile line and just clean up that perfect smile line. So I did do 2 coats on each nail, and then after that I'm gonna go back and add some bling. So I'm gonna be using my Mia Secret, my SS6, my SS12, and my Pearl bling as well. So same thing we did on the ring fingers, we're going to apply our gold polish by Simple, which is that gold glittery polish. And before the polish is dry, you want to sprinkle that glitter onto the nail. Once again, I'm just using a metal cuticle pusher to pick up the glitter and just sprinkle it over the nail. And as you can see, I'm holding her finger, that way I can turn it over to the sides and make sure that the nail is completely filled with glitter, and then you just gently dab the glitter onto the nail to make sure that it is on the nail. Once again, we polish the nail with the glitter polish, and if you were using like a silver polish or a silver glitter or a red glitter, you would want to do a polish that is the same color as the glitter. That way if some of the glitter comes off, you won't be able to tell as well. And then also you want to just do a polish underneath, that way you won't be able to see through the glitter. So now we're just dusting the nails off, and I'm gonna go back in with a top coat. So the glitter nails, you want to make sure you dust them off really good, because if not, that glitter will be all over your top coat and it will cause a hot mess. So make sure you dust them off really good. And also you want to make sure that when you're doing a top coat, you leave the glitter nails for last, because if I was to do this pinky and then I was to do that glitter and then I was supposed or do my other nail second, that glitter will be all over my brush and it will be a hot mess. So be careful with that. As you can see, I'm going to do these 3 nails, and then I'm going to go back and do the other hand, and then I'm going to do the glitter nails. Alrighty y'all, so this is the final look. They turned out so pretty. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Facebook and Instagram at GetNailed32, and I'll see you guys in my next video.